been picking, and then there was a giant storm, but we got soaking wet and freezing.
Oh, are we getting all wet? How do you say wet in Italian? Come?
Bagnato.
Bagnato. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Everything is flying away! And this guy's going so slow! Check out this guy!
It's raining.
This is just a pre-storm. Oh my god. What is the real storm going to be like? Are you scared?
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm.
Now this is definitely not the free balloon. Daddy, I want to go in your jar.
Oh my god.
Are we almost there?
He's got to be kidding me.
No, we're not almost there. And look at this guy.
We have to go, oh, you okay? All the way up to that one.
Trick or treat. And they're again talking. Let's see all the seeds.
Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna start taking off these seeds. Now I'm
How do you say seeds in Italian?
gonna.
Semi?
Ah, these things are tiny. God, it went all over me. Now it's so hard, and the hole's not really big enough. I thought it was big enough.
So it's not. So what happens if the hole is not big enough?
You just try to force it out.
And they spill all over you?
No.
What happens?
And you just do it like this. And you make it facing a different way. Or it's gonna go like poo into my face.
Into your
It's
face?
gonna go like.
Okay.
Robert, she's fighting your spoon. Guys, do you know we're gonna eat these seeds?
How are you gonna cook them?
We're just gonna put them on a tray and cook them in the oven.
Oh, that's tasty. Are you gonna put any salt on it or no? On them?
Yeah, we're gonna put them in the salt.
A lot of salt or a little salt?
With
How do you say salt in Italian?
salad.
How do you say spoon in Italian?
Cucchiaio.
Yes, Jacob, yes.
This time we're gonna use my finger.
Ooh, okay, let's go. Let's go carving, guys.
Oh my god.
That's hard. I think that is...
Lala.
Ciao, Lala.
What is she looking at?
I don't know, she's playing.
She's looking at leaves.
She's playing with leaves.
Don't
What happened? Are you back on the big one? Why? Is it too hard to get the seeds out of the small one?
Lava just touched my hand. Oh no, lava's on the seeds.
Seeing the seeds. Go, Robert. Go, Robert. Oh my god, Robert, you almost eat it all.
Okay guys, now I'm gonna take it out.
You figure out how?
I'm almost done taking my seeds.
Oh, you're...
Oh, good.
Oh yeah, that works.
Let's see how many seeds.
Guardiamo quanti semi. What happening? Is it very hard? And how do you say hard in Italian?
Difficile.
And what about strong?
Granga.
Forte. Say forte.
Go, 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 go. Show us out. Go.
Oh, got it.
A lot of
Oh my god, this is going to be so much work.
Oh, this is the big one.
Ooh, how do you say anguria in English?
Happy birthday.
Oh, Kanguria is watermelon.
Oh.
Guys, let's get done with this pumpkin, please.
I'm gonna go as
We
fast
want to see them done. How do you say white in Italian?
Bianco. I think I'm done.
You're done?
I think I'm not done. There's a lot more.
So, what is your technique going to be? Are you going to draw?
Yeah, we draw and then we trace with the knife. And I want to make a pumpkin. I want to make a pumpkin mouth, like you do it, like open Joan.
Oh, up and down and up and down. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, got some
Yeah.
markers. Guys, I got some markers now. And I'm gonna copy this.
And what about you, Robert? Are you almost done?
I'm gonna use blue.
You're gonna use blue? Okay.
So first, I'm gonna do the nose because the nose is the easiest.
Okay, how do you say nose in
Mine.
Italian?
Naso. I did the nose, which is a triangle.
Yeah, and when are you gonna do the eyes? Are you gonna do the nose above the eyes?
Now,
That's already scary even before carving it. How do you say eyes in Italian?
Accu. Acchi.
Occhi, okay. You have to tell me mouth. Because you already told me.
Bocca.
Bocca, okay.
How ready to carve this pumpkin?
You're gonna start carving? Okay, let's see. Need help to put it in?
Oh.
No, you do not.
Guys, look at the knife.
The knife is coltello in Italian.
Tell me.
Coltello, we are gonna learn a ton of Italian words today. And cat is gatto, Lala, Lala. Look at her, she's cutie. He's screaming, this guy.
Look, this guy's
Wah!
fine.
Tan tan tan. Oh my god, he made a nose.
Hey guys, look, I made a little tongue right there.
A little tongue. How do you say tongue in Italian?
Lingua.
Yes.
No,
What?
that's not a knife. These are the eyes.
What are you talking about? Robert is so confused about the pumpkin. Guys, this is the mouth, this is the nose, and those are the eyes. I don't know why. He thinks that the nose are the eyes. Okay, let's go wash them. So I think she's a girl. Nel lavandino, sing this lavandino in Italian. Una zucca nel lavandino. One pumpkin.
Okay, let's try out our pumpkins in the dark.
Which one do we want to light first?
This one. This one.
Well, Robert said it first, so
Okay, guys. Let's light the
let's light the candles.
and we try. Oh my goodness.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Now we have to turn
Yeah,
the
it's on.
second one on, which is gonna be so much, ouch, harder. Oh wow, they're awesome, guys.
Now turn off the light. And blow. Okay, well, I'll try and get out.
Turn off the light.
Yeah.
Oh